There are times when you may want to put your phone in a state that is called Do Not Disturb, or DND. And to do so, you would press the fixed Do Not Disturb key that is down to the bottom right of your phone. A good example of why you would want to use Do Not Disturb is maybe you need to run to the bathroom or the break room, or you need to run up to the second floor to handle some business at work. Anyway, it's something during a short period of time, and you don't want your phone to ring and bother other people, or have the caller constantly hear ringing and then wait to get into voicemail. When D&D is enabled, the callers won't even ring in. They'll go straight to your voicemail. And when you get back to your phone, you simply press the button again to disable Do Not Disturb. So let me demonstrate to some degree here. So notice the key turns orange, it's kind of an orangey color. Up here in the display, it'll say Do Not Disturb, because sometimes it's easy to put your phone in Do Not Disturb and forget you've actually done that. So the display helps you remember. And again, any caller now that calls into your phone, they'll go right to your voicemail. And to disable Do Not Disturb, you just press the key again and you're ready to receive calls.